5:26 and I'm already nervous for tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow is the first day of our DVDs, so I am so, well, not so, but I'm quite nervous now because I don't know what to expect. But I have already practiced my lines, but of course it will be, there will be adjustments when the time has already come. And yeah, I'm really nervous. I don't know what to do. I have already prepared the kids, and I hope that they'll be enough for the children, and my patience will be enough as well. I have already, like, this is actually for tomorrow, just to show you a little bit. This is actually for the second day, rather, not for tomorrow. And I lack, como se dice in English? Stuff, materials. And yeah, I'm just praying to God for everything to be fine. First day is always the toughest. Yeah. And guys, what do you think? Because I have been thinking of changing my Bible cover for quite a while now. The sticker form is not including it anymore, so I am looking for something more permanent. So what do you suggest? Anyway, our daily verse is from chapter 12, John, verse 48. It says, "He that rejecteth me and receiveth not my words hath one that judgeth him. The word that I have spoken, the same shall judge him in the last day." So this actually it was actually very surprising because this verse was mentioned in the preaching in the afternoon service, but I've already posted this morning. So it just amazed me. It is the power of God to coordinate, to weave things together. So this is still a very beautiful reminder to all of us to accept the salvation that